Dr. Wu, what is Taoist philosophy?
Taoism philosophy is balance. I'm air, I am light, I am water flow. Indian balance is say in the I am air, I need to make the sound. Then pause. Pause, I take breathing, restore energy. Instead of American run down and get everything hurry, too fast.
Right.
But I am air. Why I put out a finger? Just to remind people to be pause.
Right.
It's slow down, better result. But they go too fast.
Right.
And that's why I have to remind myself to slow down. That's a Taoism. We have a sound, it's yang, and pause is yin. And we need the yin. Many people miss the yin part. And that's why they burn out too much fire, burn out their energy.